Hi friends, this is our first art activity on Kids Zone. But listen, you're going to need a pencil, scissors, not the big people scissors. Get child-friendly scissors, okay? They're usually smaller. Get a pencil, scissors, and a sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be this kind of paper. It can be any kind of paper. Okay, it can be notebook paper. So, we are going to make shapes. Okay? The easy way, and where they're always the same. What you're going to do first is you're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it into four. Fold it one time this way and then fold it again this way. Okay? Fold it. Then you are going to cut it. Okay? You're going to cut it in half. Cut it at the folds. Where it folds at. You see where it folds? Cut it where it folds. And after that, we are going to fold this in half. Fold one little piece in half, okay? You're going to take your pencil. If you want to make a heart, okay? If you want to make a heart, you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw from here like half of the heart, okay? You're going to do, I'm going to show it to you. I wish I could show you on the table, but there it is. That's half of a heart. So this is going to make a big heart, all right? Let me see. I want to show you. Let me flip the camera. Okay. You're going to draw from here down to there. Okay? Got it? And then you're going to cut it out. Cut it out on the line. After you cut it, you got a heart. Heart. Great job, friend. Next, get your another piece of paper. We're going to do a square. Well, this is a rectangle. So we're going to do a square. You're going to fold it. And you're going to draw a half box. You're going to draw a smaller box, okay? Like, they need to be not long like the paper because the paper is a rectangle. So you need to draw a shorter one. So it will be a box and not a rectangle. Actually, I've never done a box. I've never done a box. I might get a rectangle again. A smaller one. We're going to see. Ah, I did. I got a smaller rectangle. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut some of the end off so that you get a box. But mine came out uneven. You have to even it up if it comes out uneven. Just make it look like a box. A square. Square. That wasn't too hard. I never done a square. And a oval. This is the rectangle, so you got to shape it. You're going to have to shape the oval. Okay? You're going to have to draw it like a half oval. You're going to have to make it long and wide, right? Ovals are long and wide. You have to shape it. You see how I did it? Shaped it so it looks already like an oval. I might have to make it a little smaller, though, because that's going to be a long oval. Okay? Oval. Oval. It's not exactly like an egg shape, but it's an oval. And then we have a circle. Circle. Round and round. No edges. No nothing. So you have to... Uh-oh. I forgot to draw it. I don't know if I can get an oval. I mean a square. I mean a circle. Oops. I cut it out. I messed that one up, y'all. I messed that one up and I don't have another piece of paper. Hi, friends. I decided to come back on and to show you the circle. Okay? So, you're going to draw the half circle like that. Draw half circle on your paper. Make sure you keep it even. Like the way you wanna create it, okay? And I think I made mine uneven. And then you're gonna cut it out. I think I got it right. I had a dip in it, y'all. Gotta fix it. Sometimes you gotta fix it to make sure it still looks like what you're drawing after you open it up. Because sometimes you might have a dip in the center. You might have a dip here. If you have a dip, you got to reshape it. Okay? I think that's pretty basically a circle. May need a little trim in here or there. But there you go. Circle. Great job, friends. See you next time for the next art activity. I'm so excited. I love art. So I'm going to be teaching y'all what I can online. Okay? Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. And remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right? Bye-bye.